thumbs up. 1, 2, 3.
Can a fish take a
picture? Right, but Elmo can take a picture of his favorite dead fish with his new camera. Say cheese, Dorothy. Come on, give Elmo all you got. Very cute, Dorothy. Can a fish eat a birthday cake? Right, a fish can eat a birthday cake, but Elmo can eat a birthday cake that's shaped like a fish. Oh yeah, we can watch the Fish Channel. Come on, everybody, let's watch the Fish Channel. Thanks, TV, and thanks, Mr. Noodle, and thank you, little fishies. Wow, fishes are all over the world. Did you know that, Dorothy? Dorothy said, of course. I would like to know more about fishies, wouldn't you? How can we find out more?
Why don't you talk to the fish?
Who said that?
I hope you don't mind.
Look, a talking fish.
And I love my own water. Fishes live in the water, you know. Even a kingfish.
He's a kingfish.
Yes, wow, every inch a kingfish. This is my royal tail. I use it to swim.
His royal tail.
And my royal fins. I use them to swim too.
His royal fins.
And my royal gills. I use them to breathe.
Oh, his royal. What was that again?
My royal gills.
Your royal gill.
Yes, and my royal mouth. I use it to say for soup.
His royal for soup. What else can fishes do besides swim? Say for soup.
Well, anything almost. Would you like to see some more fishes?
Sure, kingfish. That would be a lot of fun. Now, Mr. Noodle, would you like to see some more fish?
Are you both absolutely sure?
Hey, everybody. Would everybody like to see some more fishes? Kingfish, you're not mistaken. We'll show us lots of fishes.
All right, it's my pleasure. Come on out, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Kingfish. Hey, don't go away. Dorothy and all of us want to sing the fish song. This one's for you, Dorothy. Here we go. Do-do-do-do-do. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, 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 fish. Come on, everybody. Sing with Elmo. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, 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 fish. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, fish, fish. Fish, 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 fish. Thanks for coming, everybody, and learning about fishes with Elmo. You're all super fishies. Say goodbye, Dorothy. Dorothy says thanks for coming and learning about fishies with Elmo, too.
Hello, Ma.
Bye, Kingfish. Your Majesty.
Stop.
Here.